As you prepare for law school exams that include essays, it's helpful to consider the types of essay questions you may encounter. There are three common types of law school essay questions. One, the issue spotting essay. Two, the analysis essay. And three, the policy-focused essay. Let's have a closer look at each of them. Let's begin with the issue spotting essay. You are already likely familiar with this type of essay. With an issue spotting essay, your professor's primary goal is to ascertain whether you can identify relevant issues in a complicated fact pattern, state the relevant rules, and apply those rules to the relevant facts. An issue spotting essay is analogous to looking at a person and being asked to describe that person, their looks, physical features, etc. The goal is not to describe in great detail the person's attributes, but instead to describe as much as you can about the person. Your job with an issue spotting essay is to navigate the complicated fact pattern, identify issues triggered by the facts, state the relevant legal rules, and provide a concise analysis of each issue using the relevant legal rules, including likely arguments by the parties. Here are some signs that your exam may include one or more issue spotting essays. You spend less of your class time engaged in an in-depth discussion of cases. And in-class hypotheticals are used to test your broader understanding of cases. The analysis essay differs from the issue spotting essay in both its breadth and depth. In an analysis essay, your professor's primary goal is to test your critical thinking skills. You will explore fewer issues, but more in depth. The analysis essay is analogous to looking at a person and being asked to describe a single detail about that person, maybe an item of clothing or a physical feature in great detail. Your job with an analysis essay includes many of the same tasks as an issue spotting essay: navigating complicated fact patterns, identifying issues triggered by facts, and stating the relevant legal rules. The difference is that you must provide an in-depth analysis of each issue identified and a deeper discussion of the parties' arguments and critiques of those arguments. Here are some signs that your exam may include one or more analysis essays. You spend a significant amount of time in class exploring cases in great detail. You work through problems and hypotheticals in great depth. And you spend a significant amount of class time on a particular case or issue. With the policy-focused essay, your professor's primary goal is to ascertain whether you have mastered abstract thinking. In other words, you know the law and how it is applied, but are you able to question the result and strategically deploy the rationale underlying a doctrine's existence, or question why the rule or doctrine is what it is? Your primary job here is to articulate 1, policy reasons justifying the existence of the rule, 2, critiques of the rule, for and against, and 3, the policy implications of the rule. Here are some signs that your exam might include one or more policy-focused essays. You spend a significant amount of time in class discussing policy and theory, and you spend less time focused on cases. These 3 types of essays are not mutually exclusive. Your professor may have multiple goals in creating their exam, which means you might see more than one of these types of essays on a single exam. You might also see policy issues embedded within an issue spotting or analysis essay. You should review exams your professor has added to the exam repository and/or exams they have uploaded elsewhere to better prepare for the exam. You should also ask questions to get a better sense of what to expect. The exam tips and strategies materials in this module provide several tips on exam preparation. Incorporating those tips into your exam preparation approach will help you become an even better law school exam taker. Thank you for watching.